spent it all on that bitch, but she still let the homie in. I'm out here on my own, yeah, money about them dollars, bitch.
What is the teaching Smoffy? I'm back with another video, and as y'all can see, this is gonna be a hair video. I'm just gonna show y'all how to style this hair basically that I got from DYHAIR777. This is the Brazilian 160 density 20-inch straight hair, you feel me? I'ma curl it and all that, probably do some edges, I just don't know yet, but we're gonna see what's cracking, you feel me? As y'all can see, the hair really looks good. It's just really thick, which is all Gucci though, but it really looks like pretty neat, you know, pretty slight for me. It's cute. The hair smells great, because with other hair companies that I get, their hair sometimes be smelling real whoa, you feel me? But this one actually smells pretty good, like real hair type stuff. Barely sheds, which is also great. We're gonna get into the curling now. I'm gonna show you how I curl this and how I'm gonna style it. Before I hop into this video, I wanted to show y'all these lashes that they sent me with the hair for free. These lashes are bomb compared to the eyelashes that I be getting from hair companies. Those are real bomb, so for sure we'll be wearing those. curling it. I'm gonna spray some hairspray in it, but y'all peep the bombness that just went on right now. What up?
You know you're a blessing, 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 blessing. Yeah, baby girl, you're a blessing, 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 blessing.
Oh my god, this is beautiful. That concludes this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. This process does take a cool minute, especially the fact that hair is really thick, so you have to go little by little. But yeah, the outcome of the hair is really cute. Like, I really fuck with it heavy. Everything you don't know about this hair is gonna be down in the description below. Make sure y'all go cop y'all to DYHAIR777. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and comment other video suggestions, other hairstyle videos y'all want me to do. Let me know specifically. Don't forget to spell out the Hayes movement. She's about to the gang. Thanks for watching. Kenny Tyson out.